There's one Google AI Studio feature that almost nobody is talking about, and honestly, I'm surprised. Because this single feature lets you build apps that work directly with Google Workspace apps. Have you noticed this in Google AI Studio? Most people open it to build AI apps, but very few realize it can also connect with Google Workspace. I'm talking about apps like Google Sheets, Google Docs, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Calendar, Google Slides, Forms, Keep, Tasks, and more. That means your app can automatically create spreadsheets, read data, update data, and automate everyday tasks without writing a single line of code. And once you understand what this can do, you'll start looking at Google Workspace in a completely different way. And today, for this demo, I'm going to show you few practical Google AI Studio apps. Instead of building another standalone AI app, we're going to build a few apps that actually works with your Google Workspace. By the end of this video, you'll see how a simple prompt can create an AI-powered application that reads receipts, organizes expenses, and automatically keeps everything synced with Google Sheets. And once you see how this works, you'll realize you can use the same approach to build dozens of business apps without writing a single line of code. Let's get started. The first app we're going to build is an AI-powered expense tracker called Expensio. I'm going to provide a detailed prompt to Google AI Studio. Build a beautiful, polished web app called Expensio for freelancers to manage their expenses easily. The app should have a modern, dark theme with a clean dashboard where everything is available on one screen. Show expense summary cards, recent expenses, charts, and a receipt scanner in a simple and attractive layout. Allow users to sign in with their Google account. After login, the app should automatically look for a Google Sheet named Expense Tracker in the user's Google Drive. If the sheet already exists, connect to it and load the expenses. If it does not exist, automatically create the sheet and add these columns: date, vendor, category, total, and notes. The user should never need to create the spreadsheet manually. Users should be able to upload or drag and drop a receipt image, such as a photo, screenshot, or PDF. The AI should read the receipt and automatically extract important information like the date, vendor, category, total, and notes. Display this information in editable fields so the user can review or change anything before saving. When the user clicks Save to Google Sheets, the expense should be added to the connected spreadsheet automatically. The app should also load all existing expenses from Google Sheets and display them in a clean list. Include an option to manually add expenses without uploading a receipt. Users should be able to enter the date, vendor, category, total, and notes themselves. Include a Sync Now button to refresh data from Google Sheets and keep everything updated. Also, allow users to delete an expense, which should remove it from the spreadsheet and immediately update the dashboard and charts. Show visual charts that help freelancers understand where their money is going, such as expenses by category and monthly spending trends. The entire experience should feel smooth, simple, and beginner-friendly. And as soon as I submit the prompt, Google AI Studio immediately starts generating multiple design previews for the app. These are not just random mockups. They're different UI concepts based on the same prompt, giving you several directions to choose from before the app is even built. For this demo, I'm going to pick one of the design previews and let Google AI Studio generate the first version of our app. Before it starts building our app, you'll notice Google AI Studio pops up a permission card asking us to enable Google Sheets and Google Drive. Google Sheets automatically turns messy data into neat rows and clear dashboards. Google Drive automatically organizes, searches, and manages your entire library of files. I simply click Let's do it, accept the request, and continue. Google AI Studio has now started building our app in the background. In the chat, you can see a confirmation that Google Sheets and Google Drive have been connected successfully. It then begins applying the design theme we selected to the app. You can also verify these integrations yourself. Just click the Settings icon in the top right corner, then open the Integrations tab. Here, you'll see that Google Drive and Google Sheets are now listed under Enabled Integrations. If you expand Available Integrations, you'll find all the integrations currently supported by Google AI Studio that you can use to build apps or automate your tasks. And just like that, after a few minutes, the first version of our app is ready. It even has Google Sign-In enabled. To test the app, I'll simply click Sign In with Google. It asks me to choose my Google account, and once I continue, I'm taken straight to the app's dashboard. Take a look at this. With just a single prompt, Google AI Studio has created a polished, modern application. It includes all the features we described in our prompt. If you scroll down, you'll also notice the spreadsheet location, along with a message explaining that your data is securely stored inside your Google account. The spreadsheet named Expense Tracker is automatically created in the root of your Google Drive, and any changes made there can be instantly refreshed inside the app using the Sync Now button. That means your data always stays securely in your own Google account while remaining perfectly synchronized with the app. Now, I've created a few dummy receipts for testing. You can either drag and drop your receipts here or simply browse your files. I'll browse my receipt files one by one, upload them, and click Save to Google Sheets. Within seconds, the AI reads each receipt and automatically extracts all the important details: the date, the vendor, the category, the total amount, even the notes. Everything is filled in automatically, and if needed, you can edit any field before saving. You can see new entries have been created and the dashboard has been updated. Next, we'll head over to drive.google.com and verify that everything has been saved correctly in Google Sheets. As you can see, the expense tracker sheet has been created automatically, and all the entries have been updated in Google Sheets as well. This confirms that our app and the Google Sheets and Google Drive integration are working perfectly. Now let's test the manual entry feature as well. I'll enter some random dummy data, add a few notes, and click Add Expense. As soon as I save the manual entry, you can see it is instantly added to Google Sheets. Let's quickly add one more manual expense. That entry is also saved to Google Sheets immediately. At the same time, the expense log, charts, and dashboard update automatically to reflect the latest data. To push the testing a little further, let's manually add a new entry directly into Google Sheets. Once that's done, we'll return to the app and click the Sync Now button. And look at that! The entry we added manually in Google Sheets is instantly synced with the app. The expense log updates, the charts refresh, and the dashboard reflects the latest data automatically. Perfect. This confirms that our app, along with the Google Sheets and Google Drive integrations, is working exactly as expected. Now you've seen one practical use case of Google AI Studio working with Google Sheets. Let's quickly look at another practical use case, and this time we'll use Google Slides. I'll drop both prompts in the pinned comment so you can try them yourself. This time, we're going to build an AI-powered app called PitchDeck AI. I'll provide a detailed prompt to Google AI Studio. The app will collect basic startup information like the company name, business idea, problem, solution, target market, business model, team, funding requirements, and future vision. Using that information, AI will automatically generate a professional investor pitch deck, create a beautifully designed Google Slides presentation in your Google Drive, and let you open, edit, regenerate, or download it all within minutes without writing a single line of code. The prompt is ready. Let's give it to Google AI Studio. Now comes the interesting part. Can Google AI Studio actually turn this detailed prompt into a fully functional app? Let's watch it build the app from scratch. Just like before, Google AI Studio generates multiple design previews for the app. I'll select one and continue. This time, it's asking me to enable Firebase Firestore. I'll approve the request and continue. Next, it asks for permission to enable Google Slides and Google Drive. I'll click Let's do it. And just like that, the integrations are enabled successfully. Google Slides and Google Drive will be used to create and store the presentation, while Firebase Firestore will save the app's data so all our pitch decks remain available inside the dashboard. And just like that, Google AI Studio has created the first version of our app. I'll click Sign in with Google, choose my Google account, and I'm taken straight to the app's dashboard. Now I'll click Get Started to create a new pitch deck. The app presents a form where you can enter all the details about your startup. For this demo, I'll simply click Autofill Example. As you can see, all the fields are filled automatically. Now I'll click Generate Pitch Deck. Let's head over to drive.google.com and verify whether the presentation has been created. And there it is. Our pitch deck has been generated successfully inside Google Slides. The layout isn't perfect yet, and that's completely fine. We can always refine it using follow-up prompts. The goal here was to demonstrate the Google Slides integration with Google AI Studio, and as you can see, it's working perfectly. And that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments which Google Workspace integration you tried. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to build with AI. And don't forget to subscribe to WeCodeNoCode and hit the bell icon so you never miss upcoming videos. I've got a lot more exciting AI and no-code projects, tools, and demos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep building, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next one.